Don't. Wait.
That's so funny. That was in 4th grade, right?
I remember this day. She came over to my house, and then she like we all always walked to the school bus together. She came over to my house. We were talking about how picture day would be and all that. And then after school we went to the same spot, and we showed each other.
Went to
all our
Wilson,
pictures.
right? Wait, in what grade?
I was like in first.
In 2nd or no?
First.
Oh my gosh, she's biting it. Do you want me to get her or no? Oh my gosh!
Get her, Kiki, get her.
Do you want me to get her?
Get her.
You got their phone. Record. Hurry, record. Where is it? Where'd you record it? Right here. Record. Oh, it is. It is.
No, he's still talking to Steve.
Oh, that was hilarious. Did that hurt?